just had problems with the other cops up there. The cops went in.
Why don't you just tell them you live here? We'll let you right in.
That guy up there, the last two cops up there didn't. They're like, no, you gotta go around. You gotta
tell them you lived here. Did you talk to these officers?
I talked to them up there.
Well, you didn't talk to these officers.
I said I live right here.
Well, you were gesturing to them.
I'm tired of cops today. It's just been a stressful day.
You got a driver's license?
For what?
You're driving on the highway. You live here, we let everybody through. I don't know what happened up here, but these guys would have let you through.
The cops up there were just fucking douchebags, and I just didn't want to deal with cops anymore. And I will show you this because it's on my hip. It's on my right hip.
Well, don't touch it.
Well, that's why my hand's over here.
That's good. Is that your motorcycle?
Yeah.
What you're doing can get you in a lot of trouble, mister.
What? What do you mean?
Especially when you're wearing that. You know what I mean?
What do you mean?
Expect a little more self-control over somebody carrying one of those. You get yourself killed.
Hi. Yeah? Yeah. Nathan. Brewers. No, I'm heading home now. Just want to get petrol ready for tomorrow. Blackhole Mill. You know? Yeah. Yeah. Right, no problem. Bye. Yep, that's the police officer that pulled out on me. Guys, I'm getting pulled over. Alright? No, I seen you coming in. Aye. Just out for a ride? On this? Blackhole Mill? Wait, was you that stopped us last time, aye? You had a female passenger, yeah? Aye. Dunno, I just couldn't sleep. Thought I'd go for a ride. Nah. I'm a cleaner, I work in the afternoon. This is my hobby, just going for rides. Oh. Keeps doing it. Warm up for a bit, I'm freezing. Oh, it is on this. Alright. Right, see yous.
And yeah, I can't do stop. Yo, Dylan, I can't do stoppies. My brakes are all out.
there, right?
No, I was just coming to get food, but we understand. Not a good idea.
I understand. I'm not just the first time. You got your tires. Look, it's the first time you're on the road. Where you live?
I live over in Springdale.
Really? So you guys leave here and get racked, and it's gonna break my balls because you guys, I think, Dirtbike's out. Right?
Yes, sir.
So it's not the first time you're out there. I've seen you up in Springdale before. I drove by you over by Springdale Pizza and it said the bike's went. There was one of you.
Might have been, I'm not sure.
Well, obviously you don't listen, so then I'm a dick if I'm going to tell you guys to say things. Ride bikes around, you can't do it. You can text it, people do stupid shit in the road.
Yeah,
you're cranking down and you're going to get nailed.
I totally understand.
Well,
we try to take it easy, we're not trying to cause...
Listen, you can't put them on the road. There's nothing, you can't take it easy on the road. They're not supposed to be on the road.
Okay.
It's just the way it is. And now you're going to try and get all the way back to Springdale?
No, we'll call this down.
Either that or...
His dad's what?
We could take the back road.
Your dad's got a tow truck, you said?
He's not home right now.
Or your dad has the van.
No. These are things you're going to think of.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going to call my truck, they're getting towed away.
No, sir,
I know you don't want to do that. It's a question of shit, I don't want to get wrong.
Yeah.
So how you going to get out of here?
I could probably call my dad. Doesn't matter.
What's his number?
Coppers! They're stopping me, coppers. Oh guys, I'm screwed. I've done so many drugs today. It's crazy. How you doing?
Good.
You take off the helmet?
Yeah, well, yeah, probably might be easier.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
What drugs are you tested on? What drugs are you tested on?
Just doing that.
Scary legal one.
Yeah. One low Z right through that. I'll get out of here.
Environment? You like it?
Oh, I like it. It's a bit small though.
Yeah, it is.
400.
It is. What do you got?
Nothing, mate.
Nothing.
That one.
That's the wrong answer.
Better than my bike. You're all good to go.
Cheers, man.
No worries. You have a good night.
You too.
What?
How old are you?
I am 14, sir.
14? You're not supposed to be this far away from your parents,
Yes, sir.
okay? If you're under 18, you got to stay within your parents' eyesight,
Yes, sir.
okay? Where's your parents at?
Back by the cemetery. The
Okay.
cemetery road.
Okay,
Should I go
you
back?
guys have the motorcycle? Just got here?
Yeah, we got here a while ago.
But you just got here today?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, you got to stay back over there. You can ride back over there.
Can I ride on the kids' trail, sir?
Yeah, if there's no other little kids there, you can ride on the kids' trail.
Yes, sir.
But you got to stay within your dad's eyesight, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.